Ready to wrap yourself in warmth and style? Let's make a DIY plaid blanket scarf that's as cozy as it is chic. First, let's choose the perfect fabric. Look for a soft, brushed fabric like flannel or a lightweight wool blend for ultimate comfort. About 15 to 2 yards should do the trick, depending on how large you want your scarf. Lay your fabric flat on a large surface using a ruler and fabric marker. Measure out a rectangle that's approximately 55 to 60 inches wide and 55 to 60 inches long. A square shape works best for a blanket scarf. Carefully cut along the marked lines with sharp fabric scissors for a clean edge. Now for the edges, you have a few options. You can use a sewing machine to create a simple hem. Fold the edge over twice and stitch it down to prevent fraying. For a more professional look, use a serger to overlock the edges. Alternatively, you can leave the edges raw for a rustic look, or even create fringe by pulling out threads along the edges. And there you have it, your very own cozy and stylish plaid blanket scarf. Experiment with different ways to wear it: draped over your shoulders, knotted in front, or wrap snugly around your neck for ultimate warmth. Don't forget to share your creations with #PlaidScarf, #DIY Fashion. Enjoy.